Mother Nature. Such a beautifully complicated thing. She gives so much, yet she demands our attention in the most hardening of ways. She gives you air and beauty, but she will beat you down with that unapologetic way of hers. A gardener knows this all too well. We spend time picking our favorite seeds and planting the things that make us excited to harvest, and we try new things to keep us intrigued. But Mother Nature has her own way of keeping our attention in the garden. After a mild show of rust, the aphids came on quick to my elderberries. I watched to see if nature would cure it itself, but, like usual, my patience started waning. I was excited today to find ants on the aphids. I thought my saviors had arrived, because as I sat and watched closely, I saw them eating something from them. But as I watched more, I realized they weren't actually killing them, they were eating something else. They have like a honeydew secretion. Of all the things I've read about ants being friendly to a garden, this was simply not the case this time. They were massaging the ants' abdomens to get the sugary substance, and in return, they protect the aphids from the beneficial insects like ladybugs or lacewings. Not today. Neem oil, it is. I sprayed them down good and over every single leaf, just for good measure. Hopefully now, this week I can get back to work. Nature is a beast, there's no doubt, but she sure is a beautiful one.